right here on the T3 on that right. We're gonna come through and good. Just getting that movement back over, bring that back to midline. Just a little bit over on the T1. Good. Okay. And then her secondary main complaint through here was gonna be right through here on that left side. So this is where we're gonna go. Take a deep breath in and let it out. There we go. Good. Don't need you falling off. Good.
What are we doing with?
Okay. There we go. Good. Got a lot of movement with that there.
Oh yeah.
Okay. So I want you to relax your legs, okay? One leg at a time. Boom. And you felt that in the ankle?
I felt that. That felt awesome in the ankle.
Good. Good.
Okay.
Now I want you to lay on your side and face me this way.
Okay.
Just scoot up just a little bit. On your side again. Yep.
Okay.
So I'm gonna have you bend that top leg, keep that bottom one straight.
Okay.
Good.
Same thing?
Same thing,
Okay.
yes. There we go. So we're just gonna do a little testing. Oh, and I actually started moving just with that a little bit.
Whoa.
Good. Okay. So you're gonna give yourself a big hug.
Okay.
Deep breath in. And exhale out. Good.
Oh my goodness.
Good. Alrighty, so you can relax with your arms down by your side now. At that base of the occiput. And this is where from here, I'm gonna distract in the y-axis.
Okay.
And then it's just a light thrust from here. Good. There we go. Now.
You're falling apart. So this is a hip distraction. I'm grabbing onto the hip. I'm going to do a quick pull. That opens up the hip and the knee. Do both sides. Good. All right, so I'm going to do her mid-back now. I'm just going to cross her arms across her chest. All right, so give me a really deep breath, okay? Blow it all the way out. Good. One more time. Deep breath. Fantastic. How'd that feel?
Great.
Okay, so we're going to get her neck here. And stretch your neck out just a little bit before we do this. Good. Come this way. All right. Quick pull here. Here we go. Good. One more time. Fantastic. All right, now turn on your side towards me. Pull her leg up. All right, I'm gonna check her piriformis right there. How's that feel? All right, so just do a little bit of muscle work right here. It's uncomfortable, but when we do this, when there's adhesions in there, those adhesions restrict range of motion, so we break up the knots as much as we can. So the pressure that I'm putting on her on a scale of 1 to 10 is about a 3. So it just tells us that her muscles are really, really tight. Okay. Good. All right, I'm going to have you turn over on your right, or towards your left. All right. All right, check this one out again. How's this one compared to the other one? Still pretty tight? You are foam rolling, right?
Yep.
Okay, foam rollers are great for adhesions in your glutes, your IT bands, your back. Icing is also fantastic, 20 minutes every hour. And Epsom salt baths really do help as well. One more time. Okay, now I want you to lay face.
Yes, sir. Breathe in again. Perfect. Shoulders relaxed. Beautiful, sir. You're going to go ahead and lay onto your back now. Breath in, sir. And out. Beautiful. breathe in this time.
Alright, pull that elbow back. Pull, 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 pull. Not quite as good as last time. Alright, I'm just gonna bring it right here.
Oh.
Alright, and then swivel the hand back. Now it's all good?
Yes.
Okay, so then stand up. That reaction is good. Okay, face this way. Both hands go here. Scoop like that.
Whoa.
Good. Back down. Hands here. That was good. Try.
I can do that.
Bend the top for me. Yeah, it's amazing. You're moving a lot better.
Yeah.
All right, cool. Deep breath for me, girl. All the way out. Oh, nice. You okay?
Yeah,
Other side for me.
that other one was crazy. The one on the first visit.
Oh yeah. Well, you were really, really tight. Good. Bring this forward. Good. Deep breath for me. All the way out. Good. Nice. Very. All the way out. Blow it out. Good. Just good. Oh my God. There it is. Have you seen my videos on that?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. So you
I
kind of.
saw Chris.
Oh, cool.
He was like nervous.
I know. Alright, this. Love yourself. We're gonna bring your hip forward.
Love us.
You ready?
No.
No? Okay, good. Deep breath. All the way out. Beautiful. Oh, girl. My God. Did you hear that on camera? That's like never been adjusted before. Oh yeah, it
No, I
hasn't.
know.
Beautiful. This.
Love myself.
Deep breath. That's right. All the way out. Oh, girl.
Oh.
There it is. I knew it was coming. Let's go face up. Right. Here we go.
What?
Here we go.
Oh, Jesus.
No, he can't help you. Almost.
Jesus.
Oh, girl. You okay? Look at her ears. You gonna give yourself a hug again? Like you love yourself? This way, like that. Sit there, legs on. Deep breath for me. All the way out.
Pull it back. Oh.
There we go.
Okay,
That one good?
here. And pull.
Nice.
And we'll go like this. And there. Deep breath. And out. Very good. How'd that feel? Feel good?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, lay down again right here. Okay, so we're gonna do the neck now. So we're just gonna bring you over here.
Oh.
And same thing right here. Very good. Okay. Pretty good there. Both hands here. Okay, I'm gonna hook like this and like this. Deep breath in. Very good. All right.
Good, you okay? Mm-hmm. Okay, take a deep breath for me. Just blow it all out. Just a little light adjustment there. There we go. Good. Good. Go on your back for me, face up. All right, so next thing we're gonna do is a cervical adjustment. And just nice and light. Good. And one more. Good. All right, come on up and we'll go back on your belly. Side for me, face me.
This way?
Other side. There we go. I'm gonna kind of put you where I need you. So I'm gonna move that out a little bit. So next thing we're gonna do is a lumbar adjustment. Just gonna decompress the joints a little bit. That's it. Okay, the other side. Nice and light. A little lighter on this side, Alex. Okay, just nice and light. There it goes. Okay, let's go back on your stomach. Good, so what we're gonna do is just check her leg up for me, sit on the edge of the table there. We'll kind of face the window. This last one, I'm just gonna cross your arms. Okay, chin down to your chest. I'm gonna lay you back, but just keep your chin down and your legs down. Come back, nice and light. That's all, one more time. Good, I got it.
morbida, morbida, non hai paura, lascia morbido. Ok, bravissima. Molto bene. Bravo. Stendi bene le gambe. Vediamo così. Faccio tutto di nuovo in italiano. Rilassa. Morbida. Rilassa. Bravissimo. Oggi su. E ruota la testa di qua. Bravo. Come stai rilassato? Morbida. Bravo. Gira la testa di qua. Come stai rilassata? Brava. Morbida. Morbida, morbida. Più rilassata. Ok, questa è la va bene. Adesso fai una bella ispirazione, fuori l'aria. Brava. Inspira ancora, fuori l'aria. Brava. Ok. Grazie. Cioè, tu resti rilassatissimo. Giù le gambe, più rilassata fuori, lascia morbida. Brava. Ok. Rilassa, lascia che la pelle morbida del lato, brava, rilassa, rilassa. Prima così, rilassata fuori, morbido. Ok. Rilassa. Morbida. Rilassa. Morbida. Brava. Più rilassata. Morbida. Ok, bravissima. Ok. Fa un po' pressione. Rilassa. Morbida.